Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Bestech Shodan here with me for a maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like this video and you know what, if you're in a good mood, please consider to subscribe to the channel because it's gonna be awesome. So let's see, this guy is a nice action, like classic Bestech action. We're gonna just clean it up and see how this guy looks on the inside. You're gonna need a Torx bit screwdriver with a T8 tip, and you can just start and take down the handle screws like that. And there's two, so very straightforward here, like that. And then you got the pivot screw over here, which looks to be captive on the show side. Let's check that. Let's see, now this guy should wiggle out and boom, and we're pretty much done. Big blade, S35 VN, ceramic ball bearings with the insert like that, very interesting. I like that solution. Here you got the track with the hardened insert, and here you got the blade. So we're just gonna take a little bit of rubbing alcohol over here like that, and then just you know, clean the scales, the pin, the pivot, and on the inside like so. And then we can clean like the tag of the blade all around these bearing tracks, the actual bearings, like so, removing the grease, and we clean also this track on this side, lock face insert, and we are done. So yeah, you can see here the pivot is D-shaped and keyed in, and that's a really cool thing. And then we're gonna take some, let's take 10 weight nano oil right over here. We're gonna start like from this side, so we're gonna do like maybe like 1, 2, 3 little drops of 10 weight nano oil. Bearings are in, the blade is in. We do a little bit of 85 weight nano oil, like just like that, just a little smidge on the detent ball, and then you got the other bearing and another like 1, 2, and 3 drops for the ceramic bearings. And then you got the other side, which actually this guy needs to be aligned like so, and boom, and that is in place. Just gonna use a little bit of blue Loctite for the pivot like so, just to coat a little bit the inside of the thread, and then this guy can go in like so. We're gonna tune it in a second, so let's reduce the tension right there. Let's put these two handle screws back in place like here, and that's tight. Don't over tighten that. Pretty straightforward design for this one. Just 2 screws on the handle, 1 pivot, which is even captive, so no issues whatsoever. So this guy needs to be keyed in, and it is. Let's tighten down and see how we are doing. Just spread a little bit of the oil around. Okay, no blade play. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Now we have a nice action, actually. There's no blade play. Maybe we can just release just a little bit more. Let's see. No, we introduced a little bit, so just a smidge back. Now it feels solid, yeah. And the action is finally, ooh, look at that. We like this action, right? Nice drag. Beautiful. Yeah, looking good. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.